And there's boats on the other side sending us waves. And it makes Ainsley shipwrecks even more, other than the fact that she thinks we're about 20 feet deep in water.
Whee! I just made Ashley shit some bricks.
I'm not even scared of this dumbass. Yeah, but it's really pretty, like out there and over there. Actually, that's really pretty. I think I'm gonna take a picture of that. Anyways, I'm gonna say bye now.
Bye-bye.
Look, there's a boat. And there's waves coming at us. And we're like, wow!
Shitting bricks.
And Ainsley's really scared because she has a fear that a fish, of all things, a fish, would tip this kind of boat. It's just a kayak. It's nothing.
It can happen. It's happened before.
In what mind? Keep on going with our voyage. And yeah.
TTYL.
Ainsley's shitting bricks. Bye! Okay, so we're going on a little walk to the falls. Take some videos. Okay, so here's where the falls start. And they go under here. And then here's the other side. See, there's the tree. That fell over. And then there's the rest. Okay, so we were here the other day making more videos, and we had a bit of a storm last night apparently, because now there's a tree that's blocking sight of some of the falls. There's a bunch of rock sculptures made up here. Okay, so we're going a little